Since 1962, Pakistan and Poland have maintained cordial relations, yet the true potential of this relationship remains largely untapped. The current bilateral trade volume more than 370 million, favoring Pakistani exporters, hints at
in Pakistan. There are of course problems that stem from the overall economic situation, unfortunate economic situation in this country. I hope these problems
and promoting business interaction between two countries.
Well, we've been discussing this, I think, for this event, and basically, our role is the role of bringing people together, making sure that they have a place at the table, creating opportunities for the scholars, students, future leaders, artists and businessmen to just to meet and to.
My question for you, as Polish tourists, you know that considered among one of the most visiting tourists in Pakistan, and also you know that K2 was first submitted by a Polish climber. So what do you think about how we use this opportunity to boost up our educational and social ties, especially in this stampeding environment?
Again, I think that Pakistan with its a quickly growing young population, is a country with which we can really engage on the kind of social level. And I've been talking about culture and scientific and students. I don't want to repeat myself, but I think that.
Sir, as you stated about different economic relationship between Pakistan and Poland, you talk about trade deficit and different joint ventures, mega project. So it was about government to government and between the giant business community. So do you think that we can enhance more people-to-people contact through motivating and through encouraging the local enterprises and local entrepreneurship between both countries? It can bring more limelight to the both nations and both relationship. And what challenges can, how you can handle those challenges which can come in that way with more sustainable and with more consolidated steps?
Well, I think that's excellent and fundamental questions, because there is no trade without the partners knowing each other and trusting each other. These things just don't happen out of the blue, like big investments or trade contracts. These are results of tendering human-to-human relations. These are results of promoting countries, cultures. Things that give confidence. Bring distinctive countries closer.
Now I would like to invite Head of the Department, Dr. Asghar Ali Dashti, for a vote of thanks. Please come on the stage.
Thank you, Madam Rizwana. On behalf of Department of International Relations, on behalf of my faculty members, I propose my vote of thanks. I thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Ambassador of Poland to Pakistan, His Excellency Maciej Brodowski. I would like to thank Mirza Omer Beg, Honorary Consul General, Poland. And especially I am thankful to my students, my fellow colleagues and friends and faculty members from different universities for their participation. As you know that today we are celebrating anniversary of diplomatic relations between Pakistan and Poland. And you know, Poland is member of European Union and Poland is considered
Thank you.